Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Spalina Hernandez. I'm a licensed esthetician and a holistic skincare developer. Today I would like to talk to you about your nighttime routine. Nighttime routine is one that is the most important thing you can do for your skin. It is also the one that gets skipped the most. I honestly kind of can't believe that you would skip washing your face at night, but it's quite common, so I'm not gonna judge. Anyhow, nighttime routine should consist of double cleanse. You can use one or two cleansers, but you have to use them twice. The first one cleanses you from if you're wearing makeup or if you have just daily pollutants. And the second cleanse cleanses your actual skin, so prepares the skin for absorption of the serums and nutrients that you're going to give it to your skin. So double cleanse is a must. If you are having makeup on, you have to use also some kind of a cloth, sponge, something that you can use to remove the makeup, because just water and cleanser will not do it. You need to use some kind of physical product with it. We have these facial mittens that are quite popular. They are bamboo mittens. They're really nice for washing the face. So this would be something also, if you use something like that, you have to wash it daily. You can't just keep reusing it because it dries out and it grows the bacteria. You don't want that. After the cleansing, if it's your night that you're going to perform a mini facial, you're going to use the Creme Glow. You're going to apply it all over. Creme Glow comes in the little container where you do 2 to 3 pumps is enough for the whole face. You cover it up all over. You leave it on 5 to 7 minutes. If you want to, you can take a shower while having it on your face, so the steam can kind of activate the ingredients even more. If not, you can just leave it on 5-7 minutes, remove it. Of course, again, you're gonna remove it with the cloth of some sort. After that, you always want to tone your face, so it's very important. So double cleanse, tone, or if you're doing the mini facial, it's going to be double cleanse, Creme Glow, and then tone. And then we come to the place where we do the nighttime serum application. So nighttime serums are essential for the nutrition of your skin. So I want to always stress that if you don't feed your skin at night, your skin's not going to look good. It is essential. It's like brushing your teeth. You cannot skip that. I can't stress enough how important that is. And if you expect your skin to look good, to feel good, to be healthy, you have to do a nighttime routine. Okay, enough about it. Nighttime serums. So everybody should use a form of vitamin A. Vitamin A is a serum that can come in the form of retin A, retinaldehyde, or retinol. Those are all forms of vitamin A, and every skin needs a form of vitamin A. It's an important nutrient. The important thing for you is to find out which one works best for you. The Spalina Antioxidant Line Diffusing Serum is delivered in the retinaldehyde form, which doesn't cause the side effects such as dryness, flakiness, but it delivers a good amount of vitamin A, enough for your skin to be healthy. So vitamin A is the first serum that you apply at night. Following with, if you are a little more on the dry side, I always suggest to put stem cell serum on top of your vitamin A. After that, you put your desired moisturizer. For dry people would be, again, Manuka or Restorative Algae with CoQ10. People that are problematic, still have some hormonal issue, would be the Weightless Probiotic or Balancing Citrus Cream. And people that are normal would be the Epidermal Conditioning Cream. So those are the basic moisturizer. We also have a Collagen Peptide Cream, which is a very thick moisturizer that it's a favorite for a lot of my clients for nighttime. So that's another option. After that, we apply the eye cream. Eye cream is very important to use, especially for the delicate area around the eyes. Our mermaid looking nighttime eye cream is very, very thick. A little bit goes a long way. The residue from the eye cream can be also applied on the top lip. You can put it on your eyelids, underneath, of course, and on your top lip. So that would be your nighttime routine. For clients that are using our other serums, such as mandelic. I want to stress one thing, that you would never use mandelic and antioxidant line diffusing serum on the same night. You would use one or the other. You don't want to mix those two together. So that's the only rule that we have. One or the other, never together. So I'm talking about mandelic and the antioxidant line diffusing serum. The mandelic serum is very popular with people that are fighting some anti-aging. They're looking for an extra exfoliation and they have some pigmentation issues. It helps break down the pigment. So it's one of our popular serums. We don't talk too much about it, but it's there. Not necessary. Where antioxidant diffusing vitamin A, it's necessary for every face. So those are the two differences, but I want just to stress out, don't use them together. They have to be used on a separate days. Some of my customers that are trying to really nourish their skin and bring to the night routine a lot of different nutrients will also apply the peptide firming glow serum at night. So where would that be? If you are using your antioxidant line diffusing serum, you can put the peptide firming glow on top of it, or you can also pair it with the stem cell. So depends what it was recommended for you. Skincare is very personal, not one fits all. So that's where we kind of have to always make sure that we're using the right thing for your skin, not for whatever your friend is doing or somebody else gave you the advice. So it's very important to know when to use what, because that's when you get the best results. Nighttime routine, very important. Please don't skip it. It's also your time to take time for yourself to reflect, have a moment to yourself, apply those products with love, intention, work it in, massage it, enjoy it, and it's gonna make you feel good. If you found this video informative and you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you wish, you can subscribe to get notified whenever the new video is released.